This is Kim Crive, and I'm one of the co-owners at Diamond C, and we have partnered this year with many of our suppliers of parts and things for Diamond C, and many of our team members graciously donated to make this happen. We're assisting this year with Hope Ministries, and that is a ministry for single women and their children, and to help them just get back on their feet again, and just have and this year we're just going to make sure they have a wonderful Christmas, and providing for them, the moms, the children, and a few elderly ladies that live there too.